Welcome to this video of Liberty Creek. This is going to be a quick one. We are in Brittany's Bitchin' Kitchen and Jennifer's the cook. Today is Easter Day and we have a tradition in the house. It's called making Easter omelets. They're actually Italian omelets. Huge Italian omelets. And we're going to go ahead and show you how we make them. It's actually Jennifer's family tradition. Her grandmother did it, her parents did it, and now she does it. And I like the tradition because I get to eat it.
Alright, so this is what you need to make the Italian Easter omelets. Eggs, 6 eggs per omelet, mozzarella cheese, sweet sausage, hot sausage, basket cheese, and ricotta. You put a little bit of each in and you throw it in the pan. A little butter in the pan so it doesn't stick. So what I try to do is try to get some of the liquidy egg off the top so when I flip it it's not as messy. The middle gets cooked better. Flip it. Flip the other side. I think this one's pretty good. Let's put the dish on top. Slide it back in. There you go.
We got the basics here. Got to have a piece of delicious Easter bread. I'll put a link up here in the channel from 2 years ago. You can watch how we made that. And here's the Easter omelet for 2021. Ooh. Hot. Hot. Delicious. Wash it down with a little orange juice. Good job, Jen. Alright, thanks for watching this quick episode, folks. Yes, I put a light coating of ketchup on mine. Got my Easter bread, my orange juice. Delicious. Great job, Jen. Until next time, I'll see you on another one.